so beautiful from up here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look behind me. Look at that, baby. My view. Oh my, baby. It's so pretty. Tell us, oh my gosh. So pretty. I'm on top of the world. And you feel better, okay? Can you say morning to the face?
Morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon and good night, fam bam. What happened? You're not feeling well? You soon feel better, okay? We soon reach. Okay? In the car. Good job. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night to you guys. 10 family. You guys, we're on our way bright and early this morning with babe going to work. Babe going to work out of town to a beautiful city that he always tell me about. So we are going to visit the city today while babe works. You're telling them to see them tomorrow already? We say that when we're ending the vlog, okay? Right. So we're heading to the city to spend the day and also mingle with babe a little bit on his break during work hours. Yeah. And as Stella said, we're going to the beach because this city is surrounded by beach, so we'll be spending the day on the beach all day. Yes, Stella? It's a supermarket? What is it? It's a supermarket truck. Okay, I didn't see it. Next time you show me a little bit faster, okay? So you guys, we're heading out of town today on a little road trip, I guess. Road tripping with babe. It's about an hour away from where we live. So it's good to visit somewhere new, and it's also good to just drive wherever your heart takes you. On another note, you guys, let me tell you how the devil been testing me this past few days, okay? He's been testing me, yeah, a big one. He's been testing me. You guys would never believe that. After everything that I've been going through this year, and after my camera fell and I've been vlogging on my phone, Wednesday, which wasn't I wasn't vlogging during all this. I was talking to my family on the phone and my phone just went black. Just went black. It's not the first that my phone went black and we find a solution to get it back up. But this time it went black and it never go back. They say when you go black, you never go back. So I guess that's what happened to the phone. Look at me smiling. Yes, Stella? You soon feel better. We almost there, okay? Can you stop going? So my phone went black and never go back. And it's still not going back. It's enjoying being black. So now I am without a phone, can't vlog, and I'm without a camera, still can't vlog. But the devil won't stop me because, hey honey, I'm vlogging on honey's phone, okay? I'm vlogging on babe's phone. So babe have to pass down his phone to me and using his work phone so we can talk to each other and keep in touch. But I'll have to I'll have to get a new phone because they tried to take it in to fix, and the cost to fix it doesn't make sense. They said it's the screen that's gone. Don't ask me how. I guess they say by all the drops that I've dropped it's now decide to go black and don't go back. So my phone is out and I'm now vlogging on babe phone, so I'll have to get a new phone in the weekend. So by the time you guys see this vlog, I would have a new phone by then. But the devil has been really trying to test me. But boy, he won't win. He won't win. Anyway, you guys, if the devil is trying to test you like he's trying to test me, just stay positive, stay blessed, stay loved, and don't let him win, okay? An airplane, a big one? Good. What? I see it. It's going to the airport. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to the city to enjoy the day, and it's also a few days before Tyler head to school, so we are just making him have the best of the next 2 days before school. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Another one, another airplane. Subscribe and catch up and keep up with us, and of course continue to watch today's vlog and see what we'll be up to for the rest of the day. Wow, look at that. We reached the city. Where is it? Yeah, look at this beauty in front of us. You guys, this place is so beautiful. Even Tyler getting excited. So pretty. You think niece is pretty? Check out this little spot. Oh my god. Everything. Wow. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. It's a truck. It's really a nice city. Baby office is this direction? Tyler, come. We found a spot on the beach and the sky is slowly clearing up. You guys can see that, but it's a little bit chilly out here. It's early in the morning. It's just 9:30 and we're already on the beach, but Tyler is already in his element and he's having so much fun already. Look at him. Hey, say hi to the fans. What's he doing? You're playing in the sand? He's having so much fun. You know, when I see all the beauty around me in this city, I can't wait for my sister and my brother and my niece to visit me. Oh my gosh, especially my niece. She's gonna have so much fun with Tyler. I can't wait for her to come one summer. And this beach that we're on, they have boat tour, and Saint-Tropez is just over there right in front of me. Let me see if you guys can see. Over there that you're looking at, all these houses over here is Saint-Tropez. No, not here, but here. All those houses over there is Saint-Tropez. If you guys know about follow celebrities, you always hear of celebrities in Cannes and Saint-Tropez. Well, Saint-Tropez is right there. But this city is such a beautiful city, and it's called, I think Babe says it's called Saint Raphael. You guys should definitely visit. If you come to Nice, it's just an hour away from Nice. Saint Raphael is such a beauty. Such a beauty. There's so much to see, there's so much to do, there's so much restaurants. It's just a really nice spot.
Not the beauty, the beautiful.
It's not a beauty, it's a beautiful, Tyler say. What did you say?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful? It is very beautiful. He says not a beauty, it's beautiful. Yes, baby, it is beautiful. Anyway, you guys, we're going to relax and just enjoy our day, and of course wherever we can take you guys along, then you'll see it all. Teles on the carousel. It's the first time he's riding the carousel all by himself. Hi, give her your ticket. Such a big boy. Tell Face, where are we going? Where are we? Where are we? In the train. You guys, we're in the train. We just had lunch and babe had some time before we go back to work, so we're going to Toronto City to see and learn about the city before we head back to work. Uh-oh. There you go. That's better?
Yeah, that's better.
Tyler said he's excited for his train ride. You excited?
Hero. And what hero?
Not hero.
One euro.
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 You guys, we finished the train tour and now we're in the, what they call this, the circle eye? The city eye? Wow!
Regarde le parc qui est de ce côté. Là, de l'autre côté, là, c'est le parc.
I don't know either. Yes.
What's that? Yes.
That's the carpet.
What's that? What's that?
We don't know how many turns, but I guess when they stop it, then we'll know how many turns we're gonna get. But it's so beautiful from up here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look behind me. Look at that, baby. My view. Oh my, baby. It's so pretty. Tell us, oh my gosh. So pretty. I'm on top of the world. So you guys, we finished some adventure. We went to the circle, We went to the train to the tour of the city, and Tyler went to the carousel, and now we are back on the beach. We also had lunch. What happened? You went there already? We are back on the beach until Babe finishes second half of the day, and then we can just chill and then go home after. You having fun? You having fun? Huh? Hi, talk to the faves. Talk to the faves now. He's so funny. Anyway, you guys, we're just here enjoying the day and chilling. Tyler is on the carousel for the second time today. Tyler! Bye! My big boy. He's having the best time. Hello! Hi! Beep beep! Beep beep! Ice cream and curd break, and honey's finished working.
Hold on, I can't do that.
Oh, give it to Papa. Let Papa have some. No, you cut it just in time. And I'm eating here.
This boy having a
Oh,
night.
he's having the best staycation ever. He went on the carousel a second time. We just got off.
Where you put him?
He went in one similar to the one, he chose the one he wanted to go, and he went in one similar to one he went the first time. And then we're gonna have crepe. So the crepe right beside me. Ooh, Tyler's having the best staycation of life before school. He's going all out before school, you guys, all out. Give it to Papa. You wanna taste mine?
Because you don't want the biscuit. You don't want the biscuit? Allez, bite the biscuit. Voilà.
I'm gonna cramp him. You have to clear the ice cream from the biscuit. Don't cramp his teeth.
Mama?
You ready for the crepe?
Yes.
Sit. Don't get up. Papa gonna give it to you.
Crab. Merci, Papa.
What is that you're eating?
It's pineapple, it's pizza, and orange.
Wow. All right. Enjoy. You guys, we are ending the day with pizza goodness. Honey, it's been a while you haven't taken this one.
Mama?
Is this one Hawaiian I'm looking at?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's the one. Right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's been a while you didn't take this one. Huh? Guess what that is? That's a bacon. You see bacon? Papa should give you a piece of this one. Do you want a piece of this one?
Yes.
Yeah, let Papa give you a piece. So this one is bacon and barbecue sauce and chicken. And of course, we had to get Hawaiian because that's me and Tyler's favorite.
Bacon.
Papa gonna give it to you.
Bacon.
What you wanna show Faves?
Pizza.
See there, they already see it. Anyway, you guys, we just got back home from a super long day. This day was just perfect in so many ways. If we get to live every day like we live today, that would be some kind of life, because we lived today. We have so much fun. We eat every and anything, we explore, we chill on the beach, we just do it all. So basically we are coming on to end today's vlog with a lot of good vibes.
With the beach and the fun papa. I'm going to the car.
Where else did we go today? today? What else did we do today?
Carousel again.
And you went on the carousel 2 times, right?
Yes.
I just got in and I just give him a bath and wash his hair. And you guys were coming on to end today's vlog because we just got home and it's after 9 p.m. So we're just giving you guys all the love and all the happiness and all the smiles and everything that is going on right here. And of course, no Jamaican and French expression tonight. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. And hopefully you guys will enjoy more of our lovely road trips to come and our staycations. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And Tyler, catch up and keep up. Tyler, come. Catch up and keep up. And we will see you guys tomorrow.